Whoa, I'll get it. I'll get it. Okay, ready? Okay. Oh. Go kick it back in the water. Oh, there it goes. Go. Kick it in the water. Okay, set it right. Keep going. That's right. That's right. Wow. Go. Go. Kick the ball. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. Are you gonna set it? You want to do it the other way? Okay. Uh-oh. Okay, now go. Go. Keep it going. Go. I think he wants it back in the big water. Ready? Go. I'm gonna get you.
Yay, where's the rainbow? Matthew, do you see the rainbow still? Do you see the rainbow?
Is there a rainbow? Oh, is it gone?
Almost.
Uh-oh. Hey, I'm gonna kick it across the street. Ready? Uh-oh. Can you get it? Uh-uh. I'm gonna get it. Oh. Yeah, his shoes are wet. Okay. Okay. Go. Go.
Kick the ball.
Okay.
Kick.
All right, it's in the water now. Get it.
Go.
Get it.
Go.
Good job. Here, go. You're kicking too hard. Go. Go. Good job. Go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep it going. All right. All right, go. He's got pretty good control. It's not down the water. Put it down the water. Slightly down the water. Just real soft. Good job. Real soft. Good throw. Okay. Uh-oh. Where's the other way? Okay, turn around. Freeze. Oh, it's a truck. Okay. Turn around. Now go. Go. Get the ball. You want to go one more time? You may kick it across? Here we go. Go. I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it. I'm going to get the ball. Where's the ball? I'm going to get it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Can you get it? Get the ball. Back between the legs. You get off those hands. That's cheating. Oh, oh, did you? Okay. Okay. You ready? Okay, back to the puddle.